Namaste, this is Riddhi from Agri Analyze. In this video, we will see how to perform Eberhart and Russell Model stability analysis in just 3 clicks. So we will start with first dataset arrangement. First, I have kept entries, then replication, location and 5 other traits. You can keep at maximum 5 trades at a time as this algorithm is very heavy for our server, so there is a limitation of 5 trades for analysis. Here I have kept 70 genotypes and I am giving the names like G1, G2 up to the G70. You can see on this plot. So I will keep the name short because whenever I will make a graph, if I have more genotypes and long names, I will not able to see or visualize the graph properly. Then second one is replication. So I am using the notation of capital R1, R2 and R3 notation should be consistent. Then we have location. So I have 4 locations, that is E1, E2, E3 and E4. You can give your appropriate name but make sure it's consistent. Then I have kept my 5 traits. So how I will arrange this in order. First I am writing G1 to G70 and the replication will be R1 70 times. Then other genotypes will be G1 to G70 and the replication will be the R2. Then also for replication R3 70 times. Then I will write the location E1, that is 70 plus 70 plus 70 equals to 210 times. I will repeat the structure but I will replace E1 with E2, then E3 and then E4. If you got confused, and don't worry, I am sharing the link in the description box. Now our system requires a file in the CSV format. So I will click on the file, save as. I have to select the folder and then I have to save this file in the comma delimited CSV format. Now I will close the input file and I will go to the website. The website name is Agri Analyze. If you are the first time user, you need to register on the website by giving your email ID, mobile number and your name for registration. Then you will be able to perform this analysis. Registration is free of cost. Then click on this analytical tool, genetics and plant breeding, Eberhart and Russell model. In this model you can see over here input file will be get downloaded, then you are able to see the arrangement of the file. If you click on this output report, you will get the output file and this will set your expectation that what output I am getting, and if you get stuck somewhere you can just click on the YouTube link button here and you will see that YouTube tutorial to perform this analysis, and then also you can click need help button. I would be very happy to help you. Now just click on the file, choose file button, select the file, your file is successfully uploaded. Now select the entries from here. Now select replication. Now select location. Then now you have to select model type. I have 2 types. First is fixed effect model and second is mixed effect model. In fixed effect model, your genotype and environment both are considered as fixed And in mixed effect model, environment and genotype is fixed. So depending on your context, you need to select one. I'm selecting the mixed effect model and then I'm clicking on this submit button. Once I click on the submit button, I will get the summary regarding my different parameter of the analysis, genotype or entry. So I have 70 genotypes. Make sure you verify all this data. Now the number of replication will be 3, environment will be 4 and total observation will be 840 are this, and the specific rate will be 5. The research price are currently free to you. If there is not, then some nominal fee would be charges. Now just click on the submit button. So your analysis has started. Once the report is generated, get an email as well as a download option from here. So let me download the file first. I would like to share the plot we have getting. So for each trade, I will get 3 plots. So I am sharing you the plot of one of the trades. As on x-axis we will have mean, on y-axis we have regression coefficient, and you can see if you have given longer name, we would not able to see actual name of the most of the genotypes is due to their closeness in the graph. Now we will move to the second graph. This graph represents on x-axis we have regression coefficient and on y-axis we have deviation from regression. As third graph shows, we have regression coefficient on x-axis and on y-axis we have deviation from regression at value 1 and deviation from regression at value 0. So there is one more rational information that you are getting in the percentage. I would like to show you the output of the PDF. So output is telling me that the basic parameter are 70 entries, 3 replication, 4 location, 5 trades, and so on. So first we will see the analysis for the trait yield, and it will perform RCBD analysis for environment 1. Now RCBD ANOVA and other statistic interpretation of that ANOVA, same for year 2, then for year 3, and then for year 4. So individual RBD analysis has been done and their interpretation has been written. Post that we have Bartlett test for checking homogeneity of the variance. The error mean square for 4 different years of the RBD are taken and Bartlett test is performed to check the homogeneity of variance, and the result of the interpretation is also written over here. Suppose that we have combined ANOVA for trait yield and null hypothesis is associated with SEM percentage, CD percentage, CV percentage, and then we have stability analysis, ANOVA or stability hypothesis, and the ANOVA of all the genotypes, environment plus G into E, then environment linear, then G into E linear, and pool deviation, and all the 70 genotypes. Post that we have interpretation of stability ANOVA, followed by environmental index, and then stability parameter, then BI stability parameter BI and SD square. This is for all the 70 genotypes, and lastly we have inference of the stability parameter for each of the genotypes. So it's like whether genotypes is above the mean, grand mean, or values lower the grand mean, and so on. Some inter some interpretations Same interpretation and analysis is for trait 2, trait 3, and trait 4, and so on. And all the tables that you are seeing this on the file are available in the Excel file, so that you can just directly copy paste them in your thesis. No need to convert into PDF, into Word, or then picking all this stuff. We have put some effort to show that you can just directly copy paste your research directly into your thesis. I hope you like this content, and if you have any type of question or query, feel free to reach out to us at contact@agrianalyze.com, or you can also WhatsApp us at 8866 556564. Thank you for watching this video.